Good day and welcome back to Ginger's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make the pizza that's been all over the internet, the almond flour and cottage cheese dough pizza. Now you use 1 cup of cottage cheese and 2 cups of almond flour. So here's the cottage cheese, but then they suggest that you blend it. And I got my pan ready. I put a piece of parchment paper out and sprayed it. And then I used a hand immersion blender and blended the cheese to a smooth consistency. Then I added the almond flour, and I'm sorry, the phone rang, and I didn't get to show you the ball of dough, but here it is rolled out on the parchment with some Italian seasoning on it. Now to get to this point, I blended the smooth cottage cheese, which was 1 cup, to 2 cups of almond flour. And then I put it on a sprayed parchment sheet on a baking sheet and put another sprayed parchment sheet on top so that I could press the dough out. And instead of coming out in a rectangle or a circle, it kind of came out in an oval, but it was fine. So then you put it in the oven according to the recipe at 350 for 15 minutes. But that didn't work with my oven. I had it in for 20 minutes. So next time I think I'm going to try 375 for the 15 minutes. And I think the crust will have that pizza crust structure. Well, it may be hard to see, but the crust really did come out brown. Not super golden. That's why I'm going to try a little bit higher, 375 next time. Maybe I'll get more of a golden crust, but it was delicious. A little bit dry, but delicious. Now for my toppings, I just used shredded Parmesan and grated dry Romano. And I like that combination. And it came out very good. And like I said, this is a really good alternative to eating a regular pizza. I love cauliflower pizza, but I really like this pizza as well. This needs a little bit more moisture, and I think the olive oil will do it because I think it'll make it a little bit crisper as well. Then I put it under the broiler, and you have to watch it just long enough to make that cheese melt because the dough has been cooked. So here it is out from under the broiler. Only took maybe 2-3 minutes to melt the cheese. And it did taste like pizza. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. I hope you'll try it. And until next time, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.